Hey guys, let's talk today about the Amazon Basic light bulb setup. So I have it here already connected to this lamp, right? And then I just need to get my cell phone and use the Alexa app, right? Let me just bring the Alexa app here. Here we go. Then I need to come here to devices. And as long as you come here, there is option for lights. Oh, you see, it just pop up here, the message. Let me put it here closer. So it found already the light bulb back there. Let me just hit continue. I'm losing a little bit of focus here. Let me try to move it closer that way. Here we go, better, right? So continue, allow, and here next, and then a QR code, okay? I got a QR code here. I have a paper with the QR code, that's the one. Let me just click here, scan the QR code, and put the paper just right here. Okay. This paper came in the box. Okay, now it's looking for Amazon Basic light bulb. Here we go. Then I need to enter the Wi-Fi password. Let me put it here. And next again. Okay, the final message. The light bulb is connected. Click next. Then I select where the light is located, or I can skip it. Let me just put here something like office. So light set it to the office and it's ready to use. Okay, let's basically add it to the group here, office and ready to use. Let me just find here office. Here we go. I have it here. Then I have the light. First light. Okay, that's the one. Just, you see, I'm controlling the light already. Back there, color. Just change here to red. So here we go, red one now. So it's basically working, right? Oh, pretty nice. The setup is pretty easy, right? And I change color. And now I can play with this bulb and do whatever I want here. Super nice, super nice. Great colors. Green. So here we go, guys. Basically, it's working. The setup for this Amazon Basic light bulb is pretty easy. You just need to plug it here and then open your Alexa app and it's going to find it and just follow the steps. All right. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.